tashar kundin shahara.
Da Allah ku tafa mun na taba sai ana yin da su ne suka gabatar da wannan Kano ta California yau kuma Kano kenan a takaice mun samu wannan invitation mun samu ɗazu daga uwar ɗakin wato Hajiya Fatima Dabo biyu. So Hamus Breaker bai samu daman zuwa because Hajiya Fatima ta kira wani very late. Amada Hamus Breaker, we have to be here together. So thank you so much. Mr. DJ, let's do the song Zainab Gimbia. Zainab Gimbia! Everybody! Zainab Gimbia! Everybody! Zainab Gimbia! Let's go! Zainab Gimbia! Bring me the touch neighbor. I make it cheesy. I love you, Zainab Jagrama. Go shy, Zainab, Sinaria. Come on! Like that, let's dance. Give me some love, good love. Well, like the besties, we can pull awake all the time. So like you got like a working I mean it at that time. Keep touching the house, break up, challenge it. Say no, challenge it. Can't carry a mumbo with you, midnight in it. I'm giving you no time. Let me tell it, hey, say never like you no more time. Keep passing it. Yes, we my mind to the kind. There's a job in chair. There's no yes, every day. Even though I'm going to put out. I'm not you can sort of put out. You please for any of the time. Oh, come on, people, my tongue, I'm a baby. Say no. In there, I care that I get it. They never give me so I say, they never give me everybody, so I say, they never give me they never give me everybody, they never give me let's go, they never give me everybody, they never get a time, that's what you are gonna give my time. Because I'm too much say no cash, that's their radar. I said I know when they don't have time. Some of the company has money. I can feel your love in your time. Say now, never care, never get it. Everybody, they never give me a boy outside. They never give me a must have been pressure, God. Say never give me a hey, everybody! Say never give me a everybody! Say never give me a I tell you! Say never give me a hey! Never give me a hey! Deep pressure on me! Everybody! Say never give me a
wani tabo mashi za a yi wa su masoya ai ya kamata bincin da su yadda suna jira menene latest a faɗa musu
gaskiya abin da ke latest muna aikin wannan waƙar ni da Hamus Breaker da Alamin mai ƙanina kenan
wanda kowa ya san mu tare uwa ɗaya uba ɗaya muke, so muna fatan a sa mana albarka, a sa mana albarka, a sa mana albarka, kuma expecting video mu ni da Hamisu Breaker da Alamin is gonna be on fire. Millions of views. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We appreciate it. G Fresh Alamin.